Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments. Today, I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. I'll be air frying some sweet yams today. Today, I'll be cutting these up, these nice yams. You see two of them. I'll be cutting them up small. I'll be using a little butter. Also, I'll be using a little olive oil, a little cinnamon, a little nutmeg, and I'll be using a little brown sugar today. And I'll dish these up. These right here should come out very delicious. I'm gonna move some of this out the way and I'll be back. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this one right here and just cut it straight down the middle. You can do them however you want to do them. Today, I'm going to be air frying these. As you see, they're nice sides and everything. I'm going to soak them in some water for a minute, and then I'm going to come right back. Okay, as you see, they're nice and dry. So what I want to do, I'm just going to put them in the Power XL, just like that. Spread them out. And I'm just going to put just a little bit, spray them just a little bit. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour just a little butter all over them. And just stir them up. So they'll be nice, all of them have that little grease on them. Come out real nice. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put just a little cinnamon on them. Little nutmeg. I'm just going to stir them up real good. Right here is going to be some good air fried sweet yams. Just eyeball, just a little brown sugar. Mix it up again. So I'm going to sit it down. So what I'm going to do, I'm put it on air fry. Set it for 375. Then I'm going to set the minutes for like 55. I'm not going to use all of them, but I'm put it on 55 so I have enough. 55 and press start. And I'll be showing you step by step how I'm doing it. Okay, it's been 11 minutes. Let's take a peek at it. We're just gonna stir them up a little and everything. Look like they're coming out nice and good. Keep that nice. All over them. These right here gonna be delicious. I'm gonna put that top down, let it cook a little bit more. Okay, these right here, we're gonna look at them. These right here, they are done. It's been 16 minutes, so I'm gonna take them out. So it's been 16 minutes. I'm gonna press cancel. And I'm just gonna take them out. They're done. Just like this. Okay, these right here are your sweet. These are air fried sweet yams. And that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that subscribe button. I'm going to taste one of these and see. Nice and good. Nice and soft and everything. There's sweetness in it and everything. And thank you for watching.